Who dares to guarantee a 100% yield for their spout and cap production, or even write a 100% yield directly into their sales contract? I believe no plastic spout cap manufacturers would be so bold. From past to present, yield inspection has always been a manual process carried out by factory quality inspectors. Even if their extensive experience allows them to identify product defects in spouts at a glance from every 10 spout and cap, they cannot achieve a 100% inspection rate when faced with tens of thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, or millions of spouts. Reaching 90% is probably the limit. After all, humans are not robots. The introduction of AI automatic inspection equipment can enable a 100% yield of spout and cap production. When spouts pass through the inspection line at high speed, they are scanned 360 degrees without blind spots and matched and compared with the spout cap mold parameters input into the inspection equipment, thereby identifying defects. After the spouts are inspected, they are classified into qualified and unqualified products. At the same time, the inspection equipment records these defect locations and can export large model data for plastic spout cap manufacturers to refer to and remind them, so as to scientifically and accurately find the root cause of product defect rates and make appropriate adjustments before their next production run.